In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about your Zomee warming and cooling lactation massager. To turn on the Zomee warming and cooling lactation massager, long press the power button for 2 seconds until you feel a short vibration and see the green light turn on. This indicates the device is in standby mode. The cooling button controls both the cooling and warming functions. Press the cooling button to activate cooling mode. Press it again to change the intensity levels 1 to 3, indicated by 1 to 3 white lights. Use cooling after pumping to reduce pain, inflammation, and engorgement, helping soothe soreness and support recovery. Long press the cooling mode button for 2 seconds to switch to warming mode. Then short press again to adjust the warming intensity from level 1 to 3, indicated by 1 to 3 red lights. Use warming before or during pumping to stimulate letdown, improve milk flow, and help relieve clogged ducts for faster, more efficient sessions. Both warming and cooling modes will automatically turn off after 20 minutes of use. During use, do not block the ventilation airways. For increased benefits, use warming or cooling in combination with vibration mode. To turn vibration mode on or off, press the power button. You'll feel a short vibration and see the green light to confirm the device is in standby. To adjust vibration intensity, short press the power button and cycle through the 5 available vibration settings. Vibration mode will automatically turn off after 30 minutes of use. To charge your massager, place it on a flat surface to ensure the plug remains secure while charging. While charging, the indicator light will flash green. Once fully charged, the green light will remain solid, no longer flashing. A full charge takes approximately 3 hours. If the battery is low, the green light will begin to flash rapidly to indicate it needs charging. After use, you can wipe down the massager with a clean cloth and warm water and soap. Do not submerge the device in water. For more information, check your user manual. Need support? Contact our mom line at 1-888-662-7159 to speak with experienced moms and certified lactation consultants.